Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariska Mauliana PM 2341108. I am from Management 23B. In this video, I will be presenting the material on creating and managing operational culture. I hope this presentation helped us to understand how organizational culture is formed, how is the managed, and why it essential for improvement, performance, and effective within the company. Okay, let's start and enjoy watching my video, guys. Okay, definition of organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to the shared value, norma, and beliefs as substance and unwritten rules that have how employees think, behave, and interact within organization. It forms the foundation of how people approach work, solve problems, make decisions, communication, and respond to change. This culture develops over time through leader practice, organizational history, traditional, and the collective experience of the employees. Organizational culture is often described personality of an organization because it reflects its identity, how things are done, what behavior are encouraged, and what attitude are considered acceptable or unacceptable. A strong culture creates unity and alignment, while a weak, unclear culture may lead to confusion, conflict, and inconsistent behavior among employees. Okay, next, importance of organizational culture. A well-defined and strong organizational culture play a critical role in ensuring organizational success. Its importance includes guiding employees' behavior. Employees understanding what is expected to them, making decision making and problem solving more aligned with organizational goals. Okay, and enhancing motivation and job satisfaction. When employees work in culture that support their value, they feel more respect and appreciate. Inspiring productivity and performance. A positive culture and crowd collaboration reduce internal conflict and help employees focus on results. Supporting organizational identity and brand image. Customer, partner, and job seeker often evaluate a company based on its culture, innovative, descriptive, service oriented. Improving employee retention. Strong culture reduces turnover because employees feel a sense of belonging and emotional connection to the organization. Facilitating strategy alignment. With a strong culture, every department moves in the same direction, supporting long-term organizational strategy. Okay, next, process of creating organizational culture. Building a solid organizational culture requires careful planning and long-term commitment. Key steps include establishing core value. Core value at the moral and behavior foundation of the organizational. The define what the organization believe in what behavior it affects. Excellent include integrity, innovation, accountability, respect, collaboration, and customer focus. Leader must early define test value and communicate them consistently. B. Formulating vision and mission statement. The vision outline the filter the organization what the active, while the mission explain is the purpose and key activity. A strong culture grows when employees understand where the organization is going and why their work matters. Vision and mission act guild like that shape employee behavior. C. Leadership and role models. Leadership are the most influential builders of culture because employees observe and imitate their behavior. If leader demonstrate honesty, employees tend to follow. A leader promote innovation, employees feel encouraged to think creatively. Culture creation fails when the leader of inconsistent with the value they promote. The socialization and communication process. Culture must be introduced through systematic socialization, such as orientation, workshop, team building program, and internal campaigns. New and existing employees must understand the meaning behind the culture and how to implement in the daily tasks. Okay, A. Creating system and policies alignment with culture. To strengthen culture, organization must build support systems such as performance affiliate system, reward and punishment mechanism, clear SOP, communication channels, structured work process to ensure the culture is not only spoken but truly practiced. Next, challenge in managing organization culture. Managing culture is not always because organizations face various internal and external challenges. Diverse employee background, disparate in education, personality, activity, and work experience can cause variation in value and expectation. Resistance to change. Employees may reject the culture initiatives, especially if they are comfortable with old habit of fear losing their position. Leadership is consistent if leaders do not practice what the preach. Employees will not follow culture guidelines, internal environmental process, change in the technology, customer demands, regulation of competition of required culture to evolvement. Organization that cannot adapt will struggle. Rapid organizational growth. A company expand maintaining a consistent culture across department bureaucracies or regions becomes more challenging. Communication varies for communication so not culture transformation and create misunderstanding among employees. Okay, next, exclaim organization culture in company. Google. Google is known for its culture, innovation, and creativity. Employees are encouraged to share ideas, freely experiment with the technology, and challenge traditional ways of thinking. Flexible working conditions, open office layouts, and support leadership help sustain a culture where innovation is the norm. Toyota culture emphasizes this discipline, high quality, and continuous improvement. Employees are trained to identify problem and propose solution, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. The culture encourages teamwork, respect, and long-term thinking. Unilever. Unilever promotes a culture of sustainable responsibility and care for people. The company integrates social and environmental value into its operation, encouraging employees to contribute to communication, initiatives, and ecological conservation. This culture focuses on ethical behavior, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Okay, next, conclusion. Organization culture is the most powerful element that determines organization success or failure. Creating and managing culture requires strategic planning, strong leadership, consistent communication, and system that reflect desired behavior. A strong culture allows employee with organization goals and can performance, attract and train talents, and strengthen the identity of the company in competitive environment. However, maintaining culture requires ongoing evaluation, adaptability, and commitment from a level of the organization. When managed properly, organizational culture become the driving force that shapes behavior, foster teamwork, and ensure long-term organizational sustainability. Okay, that concludes my presentation on creating and managing organizational culture. I hope the material assets today provides us insight and help strengthen our understanding of the importance of a strong and well-managed organization culture. Okay, thank you very much for time and attention. I'm Mariska Maulani. See you in next the presentation. Bye bye.